Today in this video I'm gonna explain Xiaomi Redmi Note 6 Pro hard reset or pattern unlock. Turn off the smartphone by pressing the power button for a couple of seconds. Hold down volume up and power keys together for a few moments. Release the power button when the MI logo pops up. Let go of the volume up when the recovery mode appears. Navigate to wipe data and select wipe all data using the volume keys to navigate and the power button to accept it. Confirm the action by selecting confirm and clicking the power. Return to the main menu and select reboot. Choose reboot to system using the power button. After the reset is complete, your phone will be completely reset back to its original factory settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.